So if you want to submit for module 13, week 13, which is execution and tech portfolio, what you're going to do is go through these tasks. You would understand that there is only two things to do. Make sure that all your Google Classroom are saved to your folders, right? And then also send this message, this particular Proton message, right? Send it to my Proton mail, your teacher, Mr. Tochukwu@proton.me, right? So I'll first of all show you the folder thing, how to do it if you're using a phone, right? I'm going to show it to you now. So come to this top left. If you're using a phone, top left, those three lines there, if you touch it, go down, you see something like classroom folders, right? Touch the classroom folders. It's going to take you to your drive. If it takes you to your drive, give you some time. It's going to load and bring you here, right? If it brings you here in this form, just touch the grid. Touch it from layer to grid. From list to grid. If you touch it again, you see something like this, then you screenshot it. That screenshot is what you're going to post in the classroom and add the comments you're asked to add, right? That is that about Google Drive and confirming that it is saved. All the classrooms are saved, right? Then if you're using a PC, this is what it's going to look like, right? Once you see an interface like this, you are in module 13, week 13, right? So what you're going to do is go to the top right hand side. You'll see the calendar, you'll see the drive at the center, and then you'll see that setting, that engine icon for setting. Click on the drive, obviously. Once you click on the drive, you are good to go. It's going to take you to your system's Google Drive, right? And you're going to see something like this. Now, skip the ICT Premium 13. Skip it and go to Classroom. Meanwhile, you could toggle that grid like I said earlier. Go to Classroom, touch the Classroom. When you touch the Classroom, you're going to see something like this. It's in the list view. You could go to the grid view so that you can have everything in one place and take a screenshot. You already know that to screenshot from your PC or your laptop, you have to do Shift Windows R, right? Shift Windows R and you screenshot. That's it. Now let me go and do the assignment of the email using Proton. So the instruction says, log into your Proton mail, compose, go to compose and start composing. Then on the toe, put this email on the toe, right? On the subject, put this particular, right? Okay. So what you're gonna do is to just put this particular email everywhere they ask you to put it. Then the email body. Note, you must copy and paste the text into your body. So let's start. I'll go to Proton mail, Proton. I get to Proton mail. As it is loading, I'll go back here and copy the first thing I was asked to copy. In your case, what do you copy? Copy to who you are sending it to, which is myself. You can either cram it and then type it in there, or you can just copy it. Come to compose down here. Compose. You are sending to. When it comes to compose, you are sending to who? To Mr. Tochukwu, right? Don't mind me, my own is also showing Mr. Tochukwu down here because I'm the person sending. So when it comes to subject, what do you type? You go back here. The subject says tier 1 course participation. That's going to be participation when you see it because completion is for the tier 3. So tier 1 is course participation, tier 2 is course participation, tier 3 is completion, because to complete this particular program you have to do it in 3 tiers. So I paste it here, right? That's the subject. Then you go to the body. Very, very simple and fast. Copy everything here. Copy. You put it here. You what? You paste. So you have to use your hand and what? Kind of arrange the email so it looks good. You come down here and then put this one this way. Your student, right? Then you put the signature sign down here. Your own is not going to have a signature like my mail, because my own has a down signature, the white thing. So you are not going to see it on your own. Just maintain this thing I'm about to do right now. So the only thing you will change here is this. Let's say your name is Michelle Emenike. You come here, remove all the brackets, remove all these things, right? Remove every single thing you see here. Replace it with your name and surname, because that is the indication. Let's say it's Michelle Emenike, right? So when you do Michelle Emenike, what do you do next? Michelle Emenike, right? I am in, you write your class. I am in basic, let's say you are in basic 4. Are you there? Once you write you're in basic 4, you go ahead and say, I have successfully finished all my classwork and tasks from, please do not lie, if it is from module 1 through 6, because most of you are still stuck at 6, you write it that way. If it's from module 1 through 13, you write it that way, because I'm going to be sure what you have done, right? Of this course. I wait on, okay, you can do it, enter here. I wait on having the final exams, receiving my rewards, and receiving my course. This is going to be course participation, right? Participation certificate for ICT Premium Tier 1 through this Proton mail account. You are prompting me to give you this, your certificate, send your certificate to this Proton mail, right? So that's good. I'm going to do that. So this is how it's gonna be. Put your name again, Michelle Emenike. You can just go here, copy Michelle Emenike, come down here and put it again once again as the student, right? Once you put it, that's all. Go back to the instruction. The instruction says final send, review, double check, right? Review, double check, and all that before you send. Review, double check before you send. So once you are done, most of you will not do this thing because you won't even watch this video. But then if you happen to watch this video, please, and you got here, what I'm saying is that you should come down and read the email again and make sure that everything is there back to back, right? Once you read the email, it is nice. Now see, I've seen that there's a mistake. I removed this bracket here. That's it, right? You send. It's going to show you sent. You see, message sent. Go down here, go to sent to be sure. Check the time. The time is 8 o'clock from my own time, and then 8 o'clock. The first message, the first email at the top is there. So it just sent immediately. So you've done it successfully. You are good to go. That's all.